What's poppin', my beautiful people? I have a 2009 Toyota Camry. My wife says the brakes are squeaking, so try to check the back brakes because she is squeaking from the back. I bought some replacements. They are Duralast brake pads. Bang, bow. Parking brake on. I got these blocks just in case the car decides they want to roll or something like that. And you need a 21mm socket. Got the factory made. First, we're gonna loosen these up, and then we're gonna lift it up and put some jacks. Okay, after I lift it up, underneath the car, you actually got specific jack points. So you see this piece right here, and there's another one on that side as well. Now we need a 14mm, right? So we're gonna remove these two bolts right here, the one on the top, the one on the bottom. And we're gonna move this, where we're gonna hang it up here or move it to the side. So we get to these brakes. Based on what I see, my wife was right. Them doggone things need to be replaced, man. Shaking my dreads. So as you can see, these things are actually scraping on the rotor because how small they are. You definitely need to replace these bad boys. So that's how the brakes are supposed to look. I'm sure you saw them. So the next thing we gotta do now is we gotta recess the caliper. I actually bought an IEM kit on how to do it. But just for this intensive purposes, I'll show you a tool that you can use at home. So what I'm gonna use is this right here and a piece of wood. Basically, I'm gonna use this and this to push this all the way back in, because in order for it to fit in here, we have to push this all the way back. after you've twerked your tires down, you want to come in here because your brakes are going to have air in them. You want to step on your brakes several times to help the air escape out of your breakage. So now, I'm going to go out on the road and test it. And that's all you do. I hope this helped out somebody. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Deuces!